Good morning to one and all. It is a beautiful day as we gather to celebrate our dear and precious teachers, their selfless love and guidance, without which we're nothing. Let us all get together in this wonderful endeavor and bring a smile on our teachers' faces. We now present a mesmerizing prayer dance presented to us by our primary school students.
I thank God for His love. I thank God for His peace. I thank God for His grace and for all the joy He brings. I thank God for His strength. I thank God for His power. I thank God for His truth. His mercy sees me through. I thank God for my life. I thank God for my home. I thank God for my friends and that I am not alone. I thank God for this world. I thank God for the sky. I thank God for the stars in heaven above. I thank God for His plan. I thank God for His way. I thank God for His hand that leads me through each day. I thank God for my trust. I thank God for my hope. I thank God for my faith, my heart for Him. I thank God for His hand that leads me through each day. I thank God for my trust. I thank God for my hope. I thank God for my faith, my heart for Him.
Dear teacher, you are a candle who spends the whole life lighting up the lives of students, planting the seeds of knowledge that will grow forever. You are able to affect virtually every aspect of our life. You teach us important life lessons. You teach us not only particular academic skills but also impart knowledge, give us good values, tell us about tradition, make us acquainted with how to face day-to-day challenges and much more. You are strong communicators. You listen well, are engaging, show empathy and have patience, which ultimately brings so much positivity in our lives. You bring out the best in us and inspire us to strive for greatness. You are an asset to us students. Lastly, I would like to utter a quote. Teacher encourages minds to think, hands to create and hearts to love.
Let us now witness a small yet meaningful enactment presented to us by the students of middle school.
A teacher is like a lighthouse who emits light in the form of knowledge to guide various ships to their destination as per their varied capabilities.
Let your light shine before people that they may see your good works.
Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path.
While I'm in the world, I'm the light of the world.
From falsehood, lead me to the truth. From darkness, lead me to the light.
Lead us from unreal to real. Lead us from darkness to light. Hello Rhythm, how have you been?
Hi, I'm all fine. What about you?
I am good too. Hey, look, Marishka is here too.
Hi friends, nice hearing from you all again.
Yeah, we all are meeting after such a long time.
We last met in our school days.
Yes, how cheerful our school days were.
Right, do you remember our online classes during that pandemic?
Yes, the teacher puts a lot of efforts to teach us.
And even through online mode of teaching, they made learning interesting and enjoyable.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. I think there's a connectivity issue.
Dear, please disconnect and then rejoin.
Sure, ma'am.
Is there any doubt to anyone regarding yesterday's topic?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adhira.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this line? The dark thought, the shame, the malice, meet them at the door, laughing and invite them in.
This line is referred to different emotions that are being sent from the guide above, and we should welcome them wholeheartedly. Dear Ojasvi, you seem upset. What happened?
Ma'am, today was the last day of submitting my maths assignment. Due to some reason, I was unable to submit it. And now I'm worried that my marks would be deducted.
Dear, you don't worry. You speak to your maths teacher. She will help you. We teachers are always there to listen to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, how pleasant those days were.
By the way, Teachers' Day is approaching soon.
Yeah, I really miss those old days when we used to greet our teachers.
Hey, maybe we can organize a virtual meet to greet our teachers.
Good idea, Marushika.
And we can invite all other friends too.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
How are you all, my dear students? It is lovely to see you all after such a long time. I would love to listen to all of you.
Hi, ma'am. This is Rhythm. Do you remember I was a backbencher in your class? Thank you, ma'am, for all those moral education classes. You made me realize the importance of righteousness and values in our lives. That encouraged me to become a lawyer.
How are you? Mom, you have played a very important role in our life. Whatever we are today, it is just because of your guidance and support. Today, I am proudly working as a CEO in a multinational company.
Yes, ma'am, you helped me realize that I could realize my dream of becoming a doctor. And now I am a successful surgeon.
Hello ma'am, Anvi here. Hope you remember. Ma'am, today I'm a renowned software engineer.
Anvi Mahajan hai. Hope you remember me. And I became an IAS officer all because of you.
Hi, ma'am, Ojasvi here. The good speaker of your class. But now I am a fashion designer.
Hi ma'am, Vaishvi here. Do you remember me? You always encouraged and inspired me to express myself. And now I have become a successful writer. My next book is about to release.
Ma'am, I'm Ayushi here. Ma'am, the most talkative student of your class. Ma'am, I'm an entrepreneur.
Hello ma'am, do you remember me? Marushika, the quiet one of your class. You identified my love for collecting artifacts, and today I'm an archaeologist.
Asmi Gupta here. Mom, thank you for making me realize that if there is a will, there is a way. I am a trained classical singer and students from all over India come to me to learn classical singing.
Good morning, ma'am. I must be Mahajan. Do you remember me? I once wanted to be like you, guiding the wandering boats. You guided so many students and helped them become what they are. I am continuing your legacy
and I'm a proud educator, shaping the future of our nation.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
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 And once again, happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers
Happy
Day.
Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Words are not enough to express our gratitude towards you, dear ma'am.
My dear lovely students, it was lovely to see you and hear from you after such a long time. You have really made me proud. A big thank you for all your love and wishes on this Teachers' Day. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher, for caring like parents, for helping like friends, for holding a hand at every step. Thank you for everything that you have done. Thank you for being with us always. You mean the world to us. Thank you.
We now have our little butterflies bringing cheer and color in their teachers' rights.
Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. Love you, teacher, I praise you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher, I praise you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher, I praise you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Very good morning to one and all. My dear teachers, you upgraded yourself with regard to technology just for your students. It's not at all easy to teach by sitting miles away facing the screen, but still you do so, for you have an ardent desire to make a better human being out of us. Earlier, the Hindi teacher used to teach us poems in the classroom, moving around and making sure that each student is involved. These days, the virtual platform reverberates with the narration as we get to know hear those poems. The maths teachers who were used to talk chalks and chalkboards have mastered the art of virtual classes. You, dear teachers, never fail to educate us during these tough times because you know that we are the future of this country and you believe that we will make you proud in the times to come. You too are Corona warriors and we take a vow and assure you that we are standing beside you in this battlefield. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops.
Let us now immerse ourselves into this soul-stirring singing performance presented to us by the senior school girls.
I tell the world I sing a song, it's a better place since you came along. Since you came along. Your touch of sunlight through the trees, your kisses are the ocean breeze. Everything's alright when you're with me. And I hold my favorite thing. I hold the love that you bring. But it feels like I've opened my eyes again, and the colors are golden and bright again. There's a song in my heart, I feel like I belong. It's a better place since you came along. It's a better place since you came along. I see the whole world in your eyes.
eyes, it's like I've known you all my life. It just feels so right. So I pull my heart into your hand. It's like you really understand. You love the way I am, and you're my favorite thing. I hold the happiness you bring, but it feels like I've opened my eyes again, and the colors are golden and bright again, and the sun paints the skies and the wind sings a song. It's a better place since you came along. It's a better place since you came along. Dear teachers, we wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Devika Bahel, will be sharing my heartfelt regard for you dear teachers on the auspicious day, Teachers' Day. Have you ever heard about missing online classes because they are boring? Yes, indeed you would have. One of the biggest challenges during COVID-19 is online teaching learning for both teachers and learners. The lack of one-on-one contact, the difficulties in communication on digital devices, the need to organize and coordinate can become additional challenges for all. But you dear teachers are like angels on earth, who always make sure that everyone is consistently interested and motivated. Even during these challenging times, you always make sure that you are regular and patient. My teachers have given me the best gift of believing in myself and becoming responsible for my actions. Following offline classes since many years and then suddenly superseding to another mode of online teaching learning seemed complex at first. But with your help and support, online teaching learning not only became successful but also a great fun. It is mesmerizing to watch you, to write on the whiteboard and to have a mic-to-mic conversation with you. A wise man once said, "A teacher is not just born to teach. A teacher is born to inspire others, to change people and to never give up even when faced with challenges that seems impossible." I cannot express my gratitude towards all of you because your contribution in my life is humongous. Today I would like to salute and present my heartfelt gratitude towards all my teachers who administered each and every situation positively and bring up the best in themselves at school and at home perpetually. Sky is blue, trees are green. We should always cooperate with our teachers as they are giving their best in COVID-19. Thank you.
The Guru is the means of realization. There is no knowledge without a teacher. Salute the Guru Shishya Parampara of this ancient land of teachers. Words of Swami Vivekananda. Good morning to all. We are gathered today to celebrate the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers are the pillars of a country. They guide and shape the destiny of students. They teach them to become better human persons. They are the reason behind the successful career of a student. Teachers like S. Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are some of the renowned names that have given meaning to the word teacher. Teachers are not necessarily present only in schools. Everyone around us teaches something or the other. The greatest of all the teachers is life, that teaches us the art of survival. Teachers are our primemost teachers. Our friends, nature, animals, our mistakes, everything is a teacher in some form or the other. Today is the day to honor them all. I take the privilege in wishing all our teachers in the school and across the country. Educating people is one of the noblest services one can offer. The profession of teaching exists since time immemorial. In olden times, there was Gurukul system of teaching where the students left their homes to stay with the sages in the forest. They educated the students for years who returned to their homes after several years of training. These sages were worshipped by the students like their parents worshipped God. Since then, the teacher is placed next to God. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day throughout the country since the year 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second President of India, who was also a philosopher and an educationist. When he became the President of India, few of his students requested him to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. On this, he asked them to celebrate the day as a Teacher's Day and not just as his birthday. This would make him happier and even more proud. Ever since this day is celebrated as Teacher's Day. 5th September is celebrated as Teacher's Day every year is also to honor and appreciate the contribution of teachers in various fields. It is a day to express our gratitude and respect to the mentors who selflessly work to build the future of students. I would like to thank every teacher who has been our reliable guiding force during the lockdown period of the COVID-19 pandemic. Teachers, you are not only taught us the new way to learn, but have also been motivated the students during the lockdown. Now, on behalf of the management, I express my sincere gratitude for your noble and generous service. Thank you and God bless you.